Now we will learn how to solve simultaneous equation. That means two equations will be given and there will be two unknowns and we will need to find those unknowns. Here you can see the question. 3x plus 5y equal to 2, 2x minus 3y equal to 14. You need to find x and y. How to solve it? First of all, we will write from here 5y equal to 2 minus 3x. Then y equal to 2 minus 3x divided by 5. Similarly here, minus 3y equal to 14 minus 2x, y equal to 14 minus 2x divided by minus 3. This is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, what do we get? We get two expressions for same y equal to this and y equal to this. That means this and this are equal. So we can write 2 minus 3x divided by 5 equal to 14 minus 2x divided by minus 3. So what shall we do now? We will perform a cross multiplication. This will be multiplied with this. 2 minus 3x multiplied by minus 3 equals to this 5 will be multiplied with this 5 multiplied by 14 minus 2x. So next line, what can we write now? Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus minus plus 3 3 is 9, x equal to 5 into 14 70 minus 5 into 2 10x. So in the next line we can write that 9x minus 10, when it will come to this side it will become plus 10x equal to 70 minus 6, when it goes to right side it will become plus 6. 19x equal to 76, x equal to 76 divided by 19, that means 4. Now we will put this value of x in equation 1 or in equation 2. What does equation 1 says? It says that y equal to 2 minus 3x divided by 5. Now if we put the value of x here, 2 minus 3 into 4 divided by 5 equal to 2 minus 12 by 5 minus 10 by 5 equal to minus 2. If we put the value of x in equation 2, this will bring the same answer. Therefore, the answer is x equal to 4, y equal to minus 2.